Top 5 Knife Sharpener. Number 5. Original Tumbler Rolling Knife Sharpener. The original Tumbler rolling knife sharpener revolutionizes knife sharpening with its ease and precision. Powered by diamond-plated sharpening stones, it ensures long-lasting sharpness for expensive knives. The D35 grit size effortlessly restores the knife's edge to its optimal sharpness. With a stainless steel helix disc, it removes burrs for a finer edge. Its simple yet effective design allows users to select their preferred angle and secure the blade with a magnetic holder. Perfect for both traditional and specialty blades, it offers 15 and 20-degree angle sharpening, making it a must-have tool for any serious chef or kitchen enthusiast. Number 4. Longzon Knife Sharpener. The Longzon Knife Sharpener offers professional-grade sharpening for ceramic and steel knives, along with scissors. Its 4-stage system includes tungsten steel, emery, and high-hardness ceramics for lasting performance. With a 3-step sharpening process, it ensures knives are brilliantly sharp, though not suitable for serrated blades. Ergonomically designed with a non-slip rubber base and handle, it provides a comfortable experience for both right and left-handed users. Easy to use and compact, it restores blunt knives quickly with a few gentle pulls, making it an essential tool for any kitchen. Plus, it comes with a pair of cut-resistant gloves and a worry-free 24-month warranty. Number 3. Sharple Pocket Knife Sharpener. The Sharple Pocket Knife Sharpener and Survival Tool is a versatile EDC solution for outdoor enthusiasts. With 6 functions including coarse carbide for edge setting, fine ceramic for finishing, and a diamond rod for serrations, it ensures blades are sharp and ready. Additionally, it features a ferro rod for fire starting and a high-pitched emergency whistle. Built with durable abrasives, it withstands rigorous field use, while its compact design with a lanyard hole makes it ideal for hunting, camping, and survival situations. Backed by a 3-year warranty and superior after-sales service, it's a reliable companion for maintaining knife sharpness anytime, anywhere. Number 2. AccuSharp Knife Sharpener. The AccuSharp Knife Sharpener offers a convenient solution for keeping all types of knives sharp with its ergonomic handle and compact design. In just 10 seconds, its diamond-honed tungsten carbide blades restore both straight and serrated edges. Reversible sharpening blades extend the sharpener's lifespan, providing long-lasting performance. With a reputation for durability, most users enjoy 5 to 10 years between blade replacements. Safety is paramount with its unique handle and full-length guard, catering to both right and left-handed users. Whether for chefs, home cooks, or outdoor enthusiasts, this sharpener ensures knives are always ready for efficient and safe use. Number 1. Worksharp MK2 Electric Knife and Tool Sharpener. The Worksharp MK2 Professional Electric Knife and Tool Sharpener offers an adjustable tool and knife sharpening system, enhancing the original with new features for faster, easier, and more repeatable sharpening. Its flexible belts conform to any blade, catering to a range of tools from outdoor to kitchen knives. A sharpening guide ensures precise edge angles with a scratch-resistant leather lining. The 2-speed motor offers control for delicate knife sharpening and power for heavier tasks. An edge guide supports the entire length of the blade, facilitating thorough sharpening. Ideal for both home and professional use, it's a versatile sharpening solution. Thanks for watching the video. The links of the products we discuss in this video are provided in the video description. Please check out the video description and find the product links to buy your favorite products. If you think the video is helpful, please like, share and comments the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.